So now I'd like to talk to you a little bit more about our manufacturing services and how we can help you. The most common method of molding rubber parts is called compression molding. It is simply placing a pre-cut piece of non-vulcanized rubber into each cavity and compressing it under heat and pressure. Upfront costs of building compression molds are relatively inexpensive compared to injection and transfer molds. The primary method of injection molding we use at Santa Fe Rubber is called liquid silicone injection, also known as LSR. Using a horizontal injection press, silicone is injected into each cavity automatically to create a mostly flash-free part. LSR is most commonly used when molding a high quantity of parts or when high precision is needed. Because the mold cost for LSR is relatively expensive, it is not widely used for annual quantities under 10,000 pieces. Transfer molding is a combination of compression and injection molding. A compression press is used, but the rubber is placed in a pot above the top plate, and when compressed, the material flows through sprues into the cavity. Transfer molding is used when material costs are low and because it saves on labor and not having to load each material into each cavity separately. Most parts we make are cryogenically deflashed. After a part comes out of the mold, there is a small flashing around the outer edge of the part. That flashing must be removed before it goes through final inspection. The fastest and most cost-effective way of removing the flash is to freeze it with liquid nitrogen and break it off, hitting it with plastic media. Every part that is shipped from Santa Fe Rubber is inspected by our quality department to customer specifications. After inspection, each inspector hand stamps his or her approval on the work order to show that the specifications were met. We manufacture our parts to order, so very little inventory is kept. Once the inspector signs off on the work order, the parts are moved to shipping to be boxed and shipped according to each customer's needs. Santa Fe Rubber has partnered with B&J Moldtech in our facilities so that we can respond to our customers very quickly in turnkey fashion. B&J Moldtech also offers a complete array of engineering services to our customers. After you contact Santa Fe Rubber with a drawing and a request for a quote, our sales department will contact you to help determine what is the best technology, material, and price for the end-use application.